Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with CrowdStrike, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identify gaps in your existing security measures. Next, define your security goals and objectives. Determine the specific threats relevant to your organization. Research the CrowdStrike solutions that align with your needs. Familiarize yourself with Falcon, CrowdStrike's cloud-native security platform. Engage key stakeholders in discussing the benefits of adopting CrowdStrike. Develop a comprehensive implementation plan. Include timelines, resource allocation, and roles and responsibilities. Set up a trial or demo to test the platform's capabilities. Conduct training sessions for your IT and security teams. Make use of CrowdStrike's extensive support resources during this phase. Begin the installation of the Falcon platform. Follow the setup guides provided by CrowdStrike for a smooth deployment. Integrate Falcon with your existing security tools and workflows. Monitor system performance and adjust configurations as necessary. Leverage CrowdStrike's threat intelligence to enhance your security measures. Regularly review and analyze security alerts and incidents. Set up automated response mechanisms to streamline security operations. Gather feedback from users and stakeholders for continuous improvement. Regularly update the platform to benefit from the latest features and patches. Conduct periodic reviews to assess the effectiveness of CrowdStrike in your environment. Adapt your strategy based on emerging threats and business needs. Finally, maintain ongoing communication with CrowdStrike support for expert guidance. This approach will ensure your cybersecurity posture is robust and scalable with CrowdStrike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.